Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So let's start with, this has been a long day. Let me say, I never take my real mower outside of my own lawn. There may be small pieces on either side of my lawn that I'll cut, but outside of that, I never take it anywhere to cut somebody else's lawn. My wife has a friend that's on vacation. They needed their lawn cut, so I took the old rotary mower over to their house today. That lawn is covered in fungus, all different types of fungus. So after I got done cutting that lawn, I came home, I got out my disease fungus treatment, and I sprayed this mower down and I scrubbed that mower. Everything you can imagine on it. Then I hosed it off and let it sit in the sun to dry off. The reason why I'm telling you that is because tonight I decided to go ahead and come out here and verticut the front lawn and the putting green. What is verticutting? This is a verticutter, and these are the blades to a verticutter. Notice how they cut going this way. So they will slice into your turf, they'll thin out the runners, and making a nice clean cut on the runners, and they'll also pull up debris like this. And there is a lot of debris in my lawn. Now you guys know I take good care of my lawn, but I pulled up a bunch of debris from this. Okay, take a look down there. So the difference between this, and you'll hear somebody saying dethatching, is dethatching will grab a runner from down here and just rip it up out of the ground. And when you go back and look at your lawn, you have runners everywhere. This makes a nice clean slice, okay? Slices the runners and then pulls up all this debris here. Get that out of your lawn. Your lawn can breathe easier. Nutrients can get down into your lawn. So if you ever have to do a reset on your lawn, you're gonna scalp it down, then go ahead, get the verticutter out, and go and do 2 passes on your lawn to make sure you get everything. My lawn's gonna look extremely good, or better, I'm sorry, when I get this cleanup done. And I'm gonna be using the rotary mower to clean all this up and then doing a nice clean pass over it with the real mower. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay, lawn fans, so finished it up. I cleaned up with the rotary, double cut with the reel. I took off 10 bags between the rotary and the reel mower. I'm gonna take you over here and show you. But we're talking 10 bags. You guys that watch my videos, you know that I am loyal to my lawn. And there's the pile right there. 10. Some of that's green because what I was doing is I was standing the grass up and coming through and chopping it down. But some of that was trash that was down below the canopy of this. But that was a lot of trash that I took out of this lawn. Why would I do that? One, my mower was starting to float a little bit. What is floating? It's when you feel like you don't have total control of your mower. Like maybe it may move side to side to you when you're cutting, or you're leaving lines, not striping lines, but lines in your lawn. That's another sign that your lawn is getting thick. You're not getting good traction when you're cutting, and so it's time to thin it out. And here she is. Now, tomorrow, this might have a little injured look to it, but with better airflow in here, up underneath the canopy, down in the soil, able for the water to reach straight down to the soil now versus having any type of barrier. That's gonna be better with this heat we've got coming on. So I'll get moisture right down to the roots. It looks phenomenal over here on the putty chipping green. I don't know if it'll show up this time of night here. Yeah, I think it is, but it looks phenomenal. So I'm gonna get a flag, put in the middle of that, right there. But man, that looks good, especially just for the plain old McLean. So if you are starting to experience where you don't have control of your mower, your lawn's not looking as green as it has, if you're getting lines in your cut, again, not striping lines, but lines, then your lawn may just be too thick and you need to thin it out. With the heat coming on, it won't be a bad idea to come out here and verticut to open up the soil, to allow the water to get down in it, the nutrients to get down in it. You'll reap the rewards. It's a long process, but you'll reap the rewards from it. So that's it. Long day between cutting my neighbor's yard across the neighborhood here and this, but it's gonna be worth it. Bermuda brine, out.